San Francisco today. We are taking the Evo X out, Evo 10, POV drive. We have been letting it warm up for a little bit. I'm gonna crack the window just slightly so we can get a bit of a exterior ASMR. But hopefully you guys are enjoying the Evo content. If you guys want more, definitely let me know in the comments down below. I will be trying to bring more content to you guys. Now, if you guys are new to the channel, don't forget to hit that like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for me. I truly appreciate it, each and every one of you guys. Let's get straight into the video. Crazy how nice this car handles in the rain, being all-wheel drive and stuff. It's not raining too bad, but could be worse. I think the rain kind of stopped. It's still a little wet out, but nothing crazy to what it was earlier today. Yeah, that blow-off valve is nuts. Yeah, this thing definitely rips. First gear is crazy. Oh my god, this thing is fun. Quick business text. Come on, come on, come on. Probably take 280 if anything. Yeah, probably 280 because it looks pretty jam-packed right there. Shout out to Pellichin for the actual screen cover. My old one was super cooked. This one, it looks like a brand new phone now, so shout out to him. But yeah, we'll take 280, different route. We'll go right, cause yeah, second gear is crazy. I might have just played myself. No, I am trying to turn right, so I may cut all these people off right now. Hopefully there's no traffic on the 280 right now. My Uber driver's trying to get a move on. Yeah, it is windy today. I am sacrificing my ears for you guys. It is chilly today. The boys. This guy's trying to turn left. It's a cop, so we're gonna let him do his thing. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. go, let's go, let's go. Just like that. This car is so fun. Oh my god. Yeah, this car is nuts. I'm falling more and more in love with the 4B11, the Evo X platform. I used to not like it at all just because I came from the 4G63 and I own a 2005 Evo 8. But these cars are ridiculous. They're fun, they're powerful, they handle amazingly. It's raining, but I feel like I'm driving on like dry tarmac. And this shifter for sure definitely changes up the whole feel of it. I tell everybody I know, I'm like, manual is the way to go. I'm never gonna get bored or tired of driving a manual car. It could be a 150 horsepower car, it could be a 1,000 horsepower car. Manual, I think personally, is just the way to go. Yeah, you know, what's it called? DCT, PGK, what else? You know, all those quick 10-speed, or the what are the 10-speed Mustangs? Can't remember off the top of my head, but point is, manual's the way to go. GTS. Can't ever go wrong with a Porsche. But we are gonna close it out right there, you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the content. Like always, hope you guys are enjoying the videos. More videos to come. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and keep it authentic. Peace.